everyone, this is July from the QS Tech. I'm now in the Beijing Infocom China, and today I will introduce the new solutions from the QS Tech to you. This is our new indoor mushroom LED. It's combined with the two cabinet size, 1mm multiplied 1mm. Also, we have the two other sizes for your options. The pixel pitch of it is 3.96 multiplied 7.91. The transparency of it is over 60%. So, with such a high transparency, it is easy for you to see the other side of the screen. If you put it in the concert sense, for example, the light and the sound, even the mesh can through successfully through the screen. It can let you realize a better display effect. If you're interested in these LED solutions, please contact with me. Thank you.